This video will take you through the IBM FlashSystem FS9200 setup and install done by Joshua Blumert and Andrew Greenfield of IBM.
A quick picture of both systems right here. Now, take a look at this URL. Pretty much you put this URL in on your browser when you've directly hooked up to the box that you've put in your rack. And let's go through the system install. You'll see this happy little wizard. You'll put in the usual details, where in this case I'll be putting in a fixed IP address here in my lab in Littleton, Massachusetts. It'll actually restart itself once you've done this, and then it'll actually set itself up for email notifications as well as the contact information here. And of course you want to put in a contact information. Our lab manager is Patrick Pollard, and you can see his email as well as the phone address. Once you've done putting in all this in, it'll actually reconfigure itself. So you saw earlier the email setup. I am actually going to put in my email call home right now. This is again our mail server out of the lab. Once that call home completes, you can actually sign up for IBM Storage Insights. It has both a free as well as a paid version and allows you to do cloud monitoring of all of your IBM storage and other IBM items, including setting up tickets and call home events. As you can see with the summary, it'll actually then ask once again to reboot. And once the reboot completes, we'll actually go into the main setup where we'll provision and set up LUNs and hosts. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon.